everybody, and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel.
Hey, speaking of places to be.
And cool places to be, we are visiting friends at
Midnight Science Club.
Woo woo.
All right, well, look what we got today.
What's with your dirty tape?
It's not dirty tape.
Oh, those are fingerprints.
Those are my fingerprints.
Those are your fingerprints?
Those are my fingerprints.
Okay.
One's a thumb.
Okay.
And one's a finger.
Very cool.
Isn't that like the coolest thing?
I'm not gonna lie, like all those like cop shows and CSI and all that. Like I love it. I think it's really, really cool. So this is actually kind of this is interesting. I just thought you had some smudged tape, but you always gotta look closer.
Kind of is. Well, you know, actually, when you do touch tape like this, it does smudge with your fingerprints on it, but you can't really see it when you put it down, right?
Yeah, once you put it like on your present or your box that you're mailing or whatever, it's there. But if you're not looking for it, you're never gonna see it. But that makes it obvious to really see the fingerprint. So how'd you do this?
Well, I got some pencils. You know, we want the darker the better, the lead. And I see that we have here.
Oh, this just looks like for artists. Like
yes.
It's graphite, same thing that's in the pencils. Okay.
Right.
That's probably fancy.
Pencils will work fine.
Okay.
You know, but for the effect of us so that we all can see what it is, we got something that's a little bit darker.
Okay.
So
that looks like a carpenter's pencil.
I like this pencil.
This just looks like a
regular
pencil.
School pencil.
Yeah.
I didn't want to use that because I'm going to have school. So,
okay. Well, give that one back.
Yeah.
I'll use this.
You can use that one. I'll use this one. I like this one. It's flat. So I'm going to give you a paper.
Okay.
And all we're going to do is just make a little...
Make a dark spot?
But make the dark spot pretty big so that you can fit your finger.
So my full fingerprint?
Yeah, and the darker the better, because then your fingerprint will come out really, really, really clear. I want to say like you want to get it to be like black.
Or as black as it.
Yeah, this works really fast because the tip is like wider. I mean, this will work too. It's just.
Oh yeah, big. Like I don't know if the camera can see it, but big difference.
Big difference because see like this.
Because it's so flat.
Right,
so thick.
right. So that might be okay.
Okay.
So you can use regular tape or
I see you got some thicker
like
packing tape.
Packing tape. You know. So I like to just do my pointer.
Point your finger first.
So and you want to go from the side to the side and go back and forth.
Like not just touching, but
not
rolling.
Just we want to roll it,
really get the
really get the
on your
pencil
finger.
lid on it. Yeah.
Okay.
I like this sound effects, Carr. Now. Okay. Well, you're gonna get a lot of fingerprint.
I want a big fingerprint. I want to do it like how I see on TV.
And then you're gonna grab the tape. Okay. Try not to get too much all over because then you'll notice it's already got some.
Oh, when you pull the tape, you're gonna have a little fingerprint on the beginning.
And you want kind of a long one just because you're gonna have that little fingerprint. So I'm gonna make one for you since I already got my fingers on this one. If you don't mind, here you go.
And then I touch
edge,
the sticky part of the tape,
go
right?
Right around and
like that.
Yes.
Oh,
yep. And then what happened? Oh, it's okay.
Oh, that's so cool.
And then you just place it on the paper so you can see what your fingerprints look like.
That's really cool.
Wow, look at that. And you know, everybody has their own fingerprint.
Yeah, your fingerprints are always unique to you.
Yeah, there's no.
That's so cool. And it's so simple. Like I probably have a carpenter's pencil, but if not, I have a school pencil.
Good. Yep. Just
paper,
make sure,
tape, super easy. And
do all your fingers.
If I go look around, I'll take a magnifying glass and I can kind of look and see all the little ridges and whatnot a little clearer.
Can you see all the circle? I think it's the coolest thing.
I think it's super cool. Well, Mel, thank you so much for this activity. I liked it, but again, I like all that CSI shows and solving things and all that.
Like forensic
but if
files.
you guys if you guys like this activity as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a big old thumbs up, and as always, subscribe for more. See you next time.
Bye.